Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Ultra hardware. They're part number 60936. This is a card of two 5-inch light-duty strap hinges in a zinc finish. So a card means that the packaging is down on a piece of cardboard, is what that means, or visual or retail package sort of scenario is how this works. I have a pair of them removed from the packaging so that we can take a closer look at them. And again, when you buy one, you're going to be sent one card of two hinges. You'll have some screws. And this video will serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the item. And let's go over the size first. Generally, the size is going to be a reference generally from the center line of the pin to the edge of the end of the hinge, and that is indeed the case here. Center line of that pin. So you're realistically going to be about 10-inch overall length. The overall width, or I should say the height at the top, about 1.25 inches. Down at the end here, it's going to be closer to about 9/16. Let's put the tape measure on the end of the hinge and then study where the screw holes are. And you can pause this video to study that a bit better. About 5/8 down to about 1 7/8. I'm going to put it on my desktop. It'll be a little bit easier to measure. Yeah, about 5/8 down. The next hole would be about 1 15/16. That next hole is about 3 3/16, and then to about 4 1/16. 3 3/16, 4 1/16. Okay. The material thickness, 0.063 inch, 0.063, so a 1/16 of an inch thick is what that's going to measure. Again, you're going to get these screws. They look like they're number 6, maybe a number 7 screw. Flathead sheet metal screws with a Phillips drive, maybe about 1 inch overall length. And these are zinc coated for corrosion resistance, and they are made of steel. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Ultra hardware products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Ultra hardware, this is their part number 60936, card of two 5-inch zinc-coated strap hinges. And where are strap hinges used? Well, the fact that they're full surface, meaning that when you lay the hinge flat, it will become flat on top of the surface that you're applying it. You would use them in a variety of generic installations, obviously maybe hanging a gate or a door, or maybe you're building a foot locker, things of that nature. There's no swag on the hinge leaf at all, and let's study that. So that pin, this is all flat down here. A swagged hinge, a swagged pivot point would give a little giddy up in the hinge leaf that would bring it out here so that the hinge leaves would be far closer together when they're brought parallel. And if you think about the hinge on a door in your home, there is a swag on those hinge leaves, because if there wasn't, the gap between the edge of the door and the jamb would be maybe 5/16 of an inch like this. But when you're doing, some sort of utility or gate sort of application, or a foot locker application, or you're building planters, or you're doing some sort of outdoor furniture, or a Boy Scouts project, and you need, accessory hardware like this to build something. If you need it to be full surface, this would be a good application for it. And therefore, if you're hanging a door, that means that the face of the door and the face of the jamb post would be flush. There would be no inset, because there's no swag on that hinge leaf. Okay, it's just they're flat with each other. Anyway, any questions on this or any other Ultra hardware product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.